Holy moly, look at that tan line, that's crazy. Welcome. This is my BMW 550i F10 build. We got some issues. So as of right now, we have a valve cover leak. It's currently on jack stands and everything like that. Yeah, not really the best state right now. We're gonna go underneath and we're gonna show what's going on. There's a fuck ton of mosquitoes. I shouldn't say hate, I should say dislike. I dislike mosquitoes a lot, but two things I really hate are roaches and mosquitoes because they piss me off like no tomorrow, but I'm really good at catching them. But yeah, so we're gonna go underneath and show you what we got going on. I'm excited. Ow, I just hit my head. But yeah, I kind of don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to do this build. It's not fun. I'm kind of lying to myself. It's fun, but then at the same time, it's like, scheiße, you know? Shit, like, I have to do this, so... Yeah, these mosquitoes are crazy. Oh, I gotta turn on this fan. It's kind of unreal, some of the things that, like, I'm really, like, doing. So, this is our leak, as of right now. You know, it's fucking craziness underneath here, and here is still hot. This car is the German Hot V car. You know, the turbos are in the middle of the shit and whatever, you know, have a whole bunch of shit. This belt right here has to get changed. It's cracking, it's all types of shit. There's another belt here, I'm pretty sure that's a serpentine belt. That one's fine. Little seepage here and there, and yeah, that's all, nothing crazy. But yeah, this is maybe the last thing I have to do before I list it up. And yeah, it's been a journey to say the least so far, but you know, I have some seepage there. Also, my strut towers are full of fucking oil and shit. You know, I got oil leaking down here. So it definitely is coming from the top somewhere, just don't know where exactly. But, you know, and then the same thing over here. It's not as bad, but we're gonna degrease it and we're gonna see from there. As you could see up there, I don't know how well this damn iPhone camera is gonna pick it up, but yeah, I'm doing this shit all in my driveway. This is my little journey of how exactly I'm gonna get this shit done. It's crazy to say the least, but you know, in the end, I'm determined to get it done, and I think I could get it done. A lot on my mind right now, but I'm destined to get it done. I have not much things go. Well, I wouldn't say not much things. I just finished a couple of my college classes. My schedule for work is decent to say the least. At least I could do something on a weekend or in the afternoon when I wake up. But, you know, hopeful military doesn't get in the way, and yeah, persevering to say the least.